Hi everybody, so today I'm going to make some trifle and it's so easy to make. Everybody in my house loves this dish. It's super easy and super quick. So as you can see, I've got the bowl ready in front of me and I've got the strawberry flavoured jelly crystals. So first I'm going to boil the kettle, as you can see. Some people use a pan, but if you haven't got a pan you can use a kettle. Okay, so now I've got the bowl and I'm going to add the jelly crystals in, like this. And then I'm going to add 1.5 cup of the boiling water into the bowl. That's 1. As you can see, it's really hot, so just be careful. And now I'm going to add half again, like this. I'm going to give it a good stir. Make sure all the crystals have dissolved, because we don't want lumps or anything sticking out from the jelly. We want smooth jelly, like so. Give it a good mix. It's really easy to make. It literally takes less than 5 minutes to make. It's one of the most easiest dishes to make on its own. So that's the base done, as you can see. Now we are going to put it into a larger dessert dish, like this one. But first, we're going to get the sponge cakes. You can put it in like so, or you can break it up. But I'm going to break it up like this, one by one. It just makes it a bit more tastier, instead of putting the whole fingers in, like this. You can add your own cake. You don't have to use the packet one. This obviously came in the packet, but it's entirely up to you. And then on top of that, we're going to add the jelly mix. It's really hot, so again, be careful. And make sure the sponge is covered with that. Yep, that's done. So now we're going to put this in the fridge now to set. So next we're going to make the custard. So as you can see, 2 tablespoons of the custard mix. And then going to add 2 tablespoons of milk, like so, and give it a good mix. And this will turn into a delicious custard, which will go on top of the jelly. So as you can see, give it a good mix. It's become really nice and creamy. Add a bit of sugar in for taste. I like it quite sweet, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, but it's entirely up to you. Some people don't really like sugar, but obviously if it's a sweet dish you should put sugar in. Okay, now we're going to make the base for the custard. So we're going to get some milk, 2 cups of milk in a pan. Let that boil away. Now that's done. As you can see, it's starting to bubble. Once it starts to bubble, that means it's boiled. And then I'm going to add the custard mix that we made previously into the mixture, and we're going to stir this. And it's going to become really nice and thick. And that's what we want. We don't want no lumps, so make sure you keep whisking until it becomes nice and thick and smooth. Like so. Right, now that's done. Now I'm going to take the jelly out the fridge. That's become nice and hard. It's become solid. And we are going to add the custard mix on top of this, like so. And then we're going to use a spoon and smooth it out, make it look pretty. Okay, that's done. Now time for the dream topping, which is the whipped cream. So for this you need a whisk and a bowl, but I've got the electric whisk, so I'll be using my electric whisk. Gonna add the sachet into the measuring jug, like this. And we're going to make sure this cream is nice and fluffy, because this will go on top of the trifle. So add some milk and give it a good whisk. Remember, we don't want no lumps, so make sure it's nice, creamy and fluffy like so. And now we're going to add this on top of the custard, and this will be our final finishing touch, like so. We're going to add all the cream on top. That looks so tasty, like that. Make it nice and smooth. It can get a bit messy, like so. Wow. And now we're just going to get our little chocolate sprinkles and just decorate it and make it look pretty, like so. Oh, that looks wonderful, like so. You can add whatever you want on top. You know, you can add chocolate chip cookies, you can add chocolate peanuts, you can add anything you want on top of it, whatever you like. Like so. And that's it, it's ready, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. If you would like more information on where you can get the ready-made packets from, then you can get it from your nearest supermarket. All major supermarkets do this. Wow. It's all ready, it's all set. That's how it should be looking, guys. It should be looking nice and creamy. Enjoy!